guys, it's your girl Mikayla. Man, I have a lot to say. So the last video that you guys saw was me like going to like my friend's baby shower or whatever. I haven't vlogged after that because your girl got COVID. Yes, 3 years later, when this whole pandemic started, I caught COVID. Like, I really thought I was like immune to it. Like, I always gotten like coughs and stuff, and like nothing, a little NyQuil and some Vicks couldn't cure. But like, yeah, I caught COVID. Like, I had COVID and I was just like, I was just in shock. Like, I did not think it could happen to me. Like, I really thought I was just immune to it. So yeah, I was off of work and like I didn't really have the energy to like vlog. I still don't have the energy or whatever, but like yeah, I had COVID. So that's why I haven't been posting, because like I said, I was trying to like give you guys some videos of me here, because since you guys were like interested. But yeah, that's why I didn't upload anything and I wasn't vlogging, because I caught COVID. And you know, it was like so crazy because like there's this guy in my department or whatever. I guess he had COVID and he was off for like 2 days, like Thursday, Friday, and like, you know, we're off Saturday, Sunday, and then he came back on Monday. Everybody's like, why is he here or whatever? And he was supposed to come back like that Wednesday or Thursday, but he came back early, said he was fine. If work gives you like a week off and they're paying you, why not just stay home? Like, how selfish and inconsiderate can you be? Like, I'm sorry, can't no one love work that much that like you're sick or you like have COVID and you still feel the need to come in and you didn't take the recommended like quarantine time? So yeah, I knew I caught COVID from him. Like, there's no way, you know? So yeah, I mean, the little time off from work was nice, but at the same time, I mean, like, no one wants to be sick or whatever. I didn't really feel like that bad. It was just like the coughing, chills, and like major headaches. Like, yeah, but other than that, like, I'm still fine. I still have like a little cool stuff, but like, I'm always like cool and sick or whatever. But yeah. So yeah, that's my little rant, and my little reason and like why you guys haven't seen any videos from me. I had a COVID. And so today is Easter. Happy Easter, you guys, or happy belated Easter, because like you're not gonna see this on Easter. So yeah, I got up today. I just got done eating dinner. I made dinner. Made mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, ham, chicken wings. You know, no Jamaican food today. I know certain holidays like up here, like, you know, obviously Thanksgiving, Christmas, I want to eat like an American and not a Jamaican. So I'm gonna just make that. The kids came over and like they were doing like a little Easter egg hunt. So I caught a little clips of that. I'll insert it here. So yeah, now I'm just like in my room. I have a lot to do. Like, I need to do some spring cleaning. Cleaning and organizing and get rid of some stuff. And like when I was off, when I had COVID, like I should have done it, but like I said, I didn't have any energy to do anything. Like, I was just laying in bed. So now I have to clean stuff. Today's the 9th. And yeah, I want to clean and get stuff organized because I'm going to Jamaica. Yes. I leave April 18th. So I have like a week to get stuff done and organized, you know. Good, I gotta look for your man, cause she missed the boy. Yes. Alright, hey guys, what's up? This is like a couple of days later after I like talked to you guys. So it is Wednesday the 12th. I leave in 6 days. So right now I'm here at my wax appointment. It's at 5 o'clock and it's like 4:42 now. So I'm just waiting until I can go in. Yeah, getting a wax. And guys, last time I got a wax was like December when I had went back to Jamaica. It's like, I mean TMI, but like I don't feel the need to wax unless my mana, you know, yeah. And I was like looking at it and I'm like, oh my god, it's like so ooh. So I had to like trim it a little bit because like I honestly was like gonna feel embarrassed. Like, yeah, it was bad. Yeah, so I'm just waiting to go in for my appointment, and then after picking my grandmother from work, go home, I bought some curry chicken and try to tackle my room and do like some type of packing. I'm only going to Jamaica for like what, 6 days, like a week. I'm going to Jamaica for like a week, so it really shouldn't take me that long to pack a couple clothes. And mind you, I already have clothes down there, like shoes, yard clothes, pajamas or whatever, so like I shouldn't be like overpacked, you know, because I'm like, every time when I go it's usually like for like 2 weeks or like a month, so you know, I always feel like I have to bring whole carry-on. So 7 good suit of clothes I should be able to find and pack. I just received some packages today, like I ordered like a couple shirts or whatever, so those came in. Oh, and guys, do not mind my granny plot them. I washed my hair last night and I couldn't find my dryer comb that I had bought, like one of those stuff that like blow dry your hair straight. I don't know where it's at, and I bought it like last week. So I just used my regular dryer with a comb and like kind of stretched it out a little bit and then just put 2 plaits in there. So yeah, and guys, the weather is weathering, okay? Like outside nice, like I'm in the car and I have on the AC. It's like 67 degrees. I see people outside. I pushed them baby in that stroller, people in that shots. I was gonna put on the shots, but I was like, nah, come be easy for catch cold. Alright, so I'm Burlington now. I came to go look. We need some rug and a new comforter set, so I got me a look now. This mad gal wanna get introduced on my channel. Her name is Shaquana.
My clothes bleach.
It's alright. My vlog, Kwana, my video them is real authentic. Yeah. No fakeness around here. Yeah. Just natural.
Listen, I'm a sexy girl clothes.
Yes, talk truth. Talk truth. Yeah, so Shaquana is we are cousin, we are friends. Cousin friends. Yeah. So yeah, we're in Burlington now. I'm gonna look on the sheets at them. My grandmother's gonna look at shoes for our sister, cause if I egg she have to eat a red. So she gonna look on shoes for her. And hopefully we can get that, and then we just come from grocery shopping and then go home and go sleep, because we can't touch my suitcase because I have to go to work on morning and it's almost 11 o'clock now. Alright guys, hey, so I'm just now getting off of work. It's like 4:30 now and I'm on my way to the nail shop because I need to get my toes done and I don't have no other time. And plus, I got a party later. I'm going broke out. I'm going bad. No, I'm not. But I am going to a party, but I'm not going broke out. I'm just going to, like, you know, enjoy myself. As some of you guys may know, I don't do anything up here. You know, I'm just like a homebody. You know? So yeah, guys, outside is hot. Like, I just checked the weather, 74 degrees in April, and then they said it's gonna freaking snow on Tuesday. Like, I swear, this weather here in New York is like so bipolar. So yeah, on the way to the nail shop. I really hope it's not full, because I just want to go in. I ain't no Chinese people that spend long for your feet anyways, because like I got a lot of stuff to do. And then after I get my toes done, I want to swing by Ulta and grab some makeup wipes. You remember when I went to my friend's baby shower, I'm gonna say, oh, I'm gonna get makeup wipes. I don't know, I'm gonna get the makeup wipes, so I need to get those. And then a new brow pomade, and that's it, because I don't need to buy any more makeup. I can't find some makeup for Carol if I got yard, because I'm only there for like a week. So yeah, that me I do. I'm like so excited for this party. Oh man, I gotta try and run the lights here. You know, cause it's gonna be nice. You know, I'm going with Shaquana. You guys like met her earlier in the vlog or whatever. You know, just enjoy myself, drink out one drinks, and just, you know, yeah. Ooh, I will leave a car there right nail shop. I don't even have any parking. I swear it's time to get nice and people them just start act up. This last like 3 days we get like some good weather, and like Mr. Girl in a body rider, everybody there pop, people are barbecue. I'm like, Jesus. And it's just April, but like, I mean, I am good for like the little nice weather, because like I hate the snow and the coldness, but I'm not dressing like that until June, July, when I know it's really summer. So yeah, I'm about to head into this nail shop now and see what I'm going. Hey guys, I am done. That was like 25 minutes, not even a good 30 minutes. So yeah, got my toes done. I got like a little peach color. I know I'm about to head to Ulta and then call my grandmother and see if she's finished work, and I'm gonna just go see her because I know she wanted to go to the store too. Guys, mash up, and I didn't even like finish my sleep good. I didn't even like show you guys a home and look got party or whatever, because like I was just running late. I went to take a nap from like 8:30, set my alarm for like 9:30, get up, but then me drop asleep and it was like after 10. So I mean, I have to run and bed and something. Then I'm gonna leave out my house till about 11:40, and then I go pick up Juana, and then we reach a party because it's like 10 minutes after 10. Party done 3 o'clock, but you know then it did shut off. If it shut off 3 o'clock, but you know they still did that play music, and then after the music pack up and sitting there, we still did that dance. No dance. Oh, me tell you, we still did that talk and drink and stuff, and I didn't want to drink that much because like you guys know I was a driver. Guys, I'm gonna reach Kwana yard, go use the bathroom. I'm gonna come back out for reach on my yard, so I'm gonna just crash on the couch and let me just wake up now. I was like, what, 7:40 now. I'm gonna wake up because I have to go bring my grandmother to work. Oh God. If it wasn't for her, I still would have sleep. Like, guys, I feel frost. Like, sleep off it while I'm in makeup. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, I just called my grandmother and told her I'm outside. She just said she had a beard. So I still have a little time for wait for her. But yeah, the local party did nice, guys. They could have played some more girl tune, but like, you know, I was dancing, you know, me and my local self. It was something to do. I saw a lot of people who I haven't seen in a long time, so that was nice. Oh, I finished my sleep. I only slept for like an hour. I'm so tired, guys. Guys, some more people got on the list. My grandmother looking at shoes for her brother. Made her break down. Huh? My vlog. I just picked her up and then she made me come bring her back to Burlington for the Fuan shoes. As you guys can see, Goody got her eyebrows done and I look like a brand new person. So I'm about to go home now. Where I look slippers for? The shoes, sneakers, and what? Huh? And what?
No, I never put on something. I still just sit
A sneaker, she come here, come look. And she had look on slippers too. Oh, she said one that would make on more stronger versus a stitch one. No, that's what you just said?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, like I was saying, guys, I vacuumed out my car. I did my last minute shopping. My room, I turned upside down and clean and so much better. I'm more like organized or whatever. Did my laundry. So yeah, all I have to do is just go home and finish packing, and then I'll be all set. So yeah, the time is like 9 o'clock now, and my flight's at like call it at 8:39 morning. All right, guys. Hey, All right, guys. So I'm back in. I just literally finished on my packing. Only thing left I have to do is like pack my purse and my makeup bag, and then I'll be done. I have some clothes drying now. I'm not gonna get a chance to like fold those before I leave. My grandmother's frying the chicken wings for me, and I'm like so exhausted. I'm so tired. Like guys, like I'm literally like so last minute with like everything. I ordered a new iPad. I got the new, well, it's not new, I think it's been out for a while, but the what is it, 10th generation iPad. And here it is. And I got it in the pink color. So I'm about to set this up, and then this is my old iPad. I'm gonna wipe this, and then I'm gonna bring it with me because I'm gonna give it to Samari so he has something to entertain him. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then like try and take a little nap. Guys, I'm so sorry. I really wanted to like get this video up before I leave, so at least you guys can have something to watch because I won't be Yes? 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 Yeah. No. Right, so guys, I really wanted to like try to get this video up for you guys before I went to Jamaica, because I won't be uploading while I'm down there because I'm not bringing my laptop. I'm only there for like a week, and like that's just like extra like baggage, and you know I'm not really gonna have time to like really sit down and edit and upload a video, even though I really want to. So yeah, and it's like 12 o'clock now. I want to take a nap and like wake up at like, I want to leave the house at 5. So yeah, I don't think I'm not gonna have time to like really like edit this video and then upload it. So yeah, you guys will get this when I get back. I come back the 26th. So yeah, I'm so sorry in advance, guys. I was really pushing to like get this uploaded so you guys can like have something to watch while I'm down there to keep or whatever. Cause like my last video was like a month ago, or almost a month ago, but I still ain't go, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here, and I will see you guys in the start of like the Jamaica vlogs. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.